Hello friends, welcome to Shadow Cuisine. Today we are going to make stuffed idli. It is very tasty recipe and you can make it when you are in a hurry or you have to go to picnic or have to make breakfast or evening snacks. So let's check what the ingredients are. Curry leaves, coriander leaves, mustard seeds, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt, chaat masala, green chilies, finely chopped onions and boiled potatoes. Here I have taken idli batter. You can check my recipe instant idli or click on the link below to get its recipe. First we will pour 2 tablespoons olive oil. And heat it well. Now add curry leaves, mustard seeds, green chilies, and wait for some time. Now add onions. Meanwhile, we will crush our potatoes. Now our onions have turned golden brown and we will add our mashed potatoes. Now add salt, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Also add chaat masala. And mix it well. Wow, its aroma is too good. Now our stuffing is ready and we will add our coriander leaves. Now it is prepared and we will let it cool aside. Now we have to start making shape for our idlis. It should be round and flat, but it should be smaller than our idlis so that it doesn't burst out when we cook them. Here one is ready. We will make more similarly, more like that. Now our stuffing is ready and we will start making idlis. We will pour some water in it so that steam can be made. Now we will add water and put this mesh. Friends, we don't need to grease this. First pour the stuffing. First pour the batter. Then add the stuffing. Press it and cover the stuffing with our idli batter. Similarly, prepare more idlis like these. Now it is time to assemble the idli maker. Now we have to cook it for 5 minutes. Now our idlis have been prepared and let it rest for 2 minutes. 2 minutes have passed and now let's check our idlis. Here, as you can see, our idlis have been prepared and they are looking very yummy. See this. Wow, our stuffed idlis are prepared. Now our stuffed idlis are ready. They are looking very awesome. Wow, they're really yummy. You can eat this with green chutney, sauce or any other chutney that you would prefer. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.